The 20 most weight loss friendly foods. Welcome to the Healthy Living channel. This video explains 20 most weight loss friendly foods around the world. Be sure to watch the video to the end so you can understand weight loss friendly foods. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways in your body. They can have vastly different effects on your hunger, hormones and the number of calories you burn. Here are the 20 most weight loss friendly foods on earth that are supported by science. 1. Whole eggs. Once feared for being high in cholesterol, whole eggs have been making a comeback. Although a high intake of eggs raises the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in some people, they are one of the best foods to eat if you need to lose weight. They are high in protein and fat, and are very satiating. Eggs are very filling and nutrient-dense. Compared to refined carbs like bagels, eggs can suppress appetite later in the day and may even promote weight loss. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens include kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chards and a few others. They have several properties that make them perfect for a weight loss diet, such as being low in calories and carbohydrates and loaded with fiber. Leafy greens are an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. Not only are they low in calories but also high in fiber that helps keep you feeling full. 3. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is incredibly healthy and very satisfying, keeping you full for many hours with relatively few calories. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats and various important nutrients. Fish, and seafood in general, may also supply a significant amount of iodine. This nutrient is necessary for proper thyroid function, which is important to keep your metabolism running optimally. Salmon is high in both protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a good choice for a healthy weight loss diet. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and Brussels sprouts. Like other vegetables, they're high in fiber and tend to be incredibly filling. What's more, these types of veggies generally contain decent amounts of protein. Cruciferous vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. Adding them to your diet is not only an excellent weight loss strategy but may also improve your overall health. 5. Lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been unfairly demonized. It has been blamed for various health problems despite a lack of good evidence to back up these negative claims. The truth is, meat is a weight loss friendly food because it's high in protein. Eating unprocessed lean meat is an excellent way to increase your protein intake. Replacing some of the carbs or fat in your diet with protein could make it easier for you to lose excess fat. 6. Boiled potatoes. White potatoes seem to have fallen out of favor for some reason. However, they have several properties that make them a perfect food, both for weight loss and optimal health. They contain an incredibly diverse range of nutrients, a little bit of almost everything you need. Boiled potatoes are among the most filling foods. They're particularly good at reducing your appetite, potentially suppressing your food intake later in the day. 7. Tuna. Tuna is another low-calorie, high-protein food. It's lean fish, meaning it's low in fat. Tuna is popular among bodybuilders and fitness models who are on a cut, as it's a great way to increase protein intake while keeping total calories and fat low. If you're trying to emphasize protein intake, make sure to choose tuna canned in water, not oil. Tuna is an excellent, lean source of high-quality protein. Replacing other macronutrients, such as carbs or fat, with protein is an effective weight loss strategy on a calorie-restricted diet. 8. Beans and legumes. Some beans and other legumes can be beneficial for weight loss. This includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans and some others. These foods tend to be high in protein and fiber, which are two nutrients that have been shown to lead to satiety. They also tend to contain some resistant starch. The main problem is that a lot of people have difficulties tolerating legumes. For this reason, it's important to prepare them properly. Beans and legumes are a good addition to your weight loss diet. They're both high in protein and fiber, contributing to feelings of fullness and a lower calorie intake. 9. Soups. As mentioned above, meals and diets with a low energy density tend to make people eat fewer calories. Most foods with a low energy density are those that contain lots of water, such as vegetables and fruits. But you can also just add water to your food, making a soup. Soups can be an effective part of a weight loss diet. Their high water content makes them very filling. However, try to avoid creamy or oily soups. 10. Cottage cheese. Dairy products tend to be high in protein. One of the best ones is cottage cheese, which, calorie for calorie, is mostly protein with very few carbs and little fat. Eating cottage cheese is a great way to boost your protein intake. It's also very satiating, making you feel full with a relatively low number of calories. Eating lean dairy products, such as cottage cheese, is one of the best ways to get more protein without significantly increasing your calorie intake. 11. Avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit. While most fruits are high in carbs, avocados are loaded with healthy fats. They're particularly high in monounsaturated oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil. Despite being mostly fat, avocados also contain a lot of water and fiber, making them less energy dense than you may think. They also contain many important nutrients, including fiber and potassium. Avocados are a good example of a healthy fat source you can include in your diet while trying to lose weight. Just make sure to keep your intake moderate. 12. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is incredibly popular in the natural health community. It's often used in condiments like dressings or vinaigrettes, and some people even dilute it in water and drink it. Several human-based studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can be useful for weight loss. Adding apple cider vinegar to your vegetable salad may help curb your appetite, potentially leading to greater weight loss. 13. Nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are not as fattening as you would expect. They're an excellent snack, containing balanced amounts of protein, fiber and healthy fats. Nuts can make a healthy addition to an effective weight loss diet when consumed in moderation. 14. Whole grains. Though cereal grains have received a bad reputation in recent years, some types are definitely healthy. This includes some whole grains that are loaded with fiber and contain a decent amount of protein. Notable examples include oats, brown rice and quinoa. You should avoid refined grains if you're trying to lose weight. Choose whole grains instead, they're much higher in fiber and other nutrients. 15. Chili pepper. Eating chili peppers may be useful on a weight loss diet. They contain capsaicin, a substance which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning in some studies. This substance is even sold in supplement form and a common ingredient in many commercial weight loss supplements. Eating spicy foods that contain chili peppers may reduce your appetite temporarily and even increase fat burning. However, tolerance seems to build up in those who eat chili regularly. 16. Fruit. Most health experts agree that fruit is healthy. Though fruits contain some sugar, You can easily include them on a weight loss diet. They're high in fiber, antioxidants and various nutrients that slow the rise of blood sugar after meals. 17. Grapefruit. One fruit that deserves to be highlighted is grapefruit. Its effects on weight control have been studied directly. Studies indicate that grapefruit may suppress appetite and reduce calorie intake when eaten before meals. It's worth a try if you want to lose weight. 18. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. Chia seeds are very high in fiber, which fills you up and reduces appetite. For this reason, they can be useful on a weight loss diet. 19. Coconut oil. Not all fats are created equal. Coconut oil is high in fatty acids of a medium length, called medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that may increase satiety after meals. MCT oil supplements are even more effective. 20. Full-fat yogurt. Yogurt is another excellent dairy food. Certain types of yogurt contain probiotic bacteria that can improve the function of your gut. Having a healthy gut may help protect against inflammation and leptin resistance, which is one of the main hormonal drivers of obesity. Make sure to choose yogurt with live, active cultures, as other types of yogurt contain virtually no probiotics. Probiotic yogurt can increase your digestive health. Consider adding it to your weight loss diet, but make sure to avoid products that contain added sugar. Conclusion. It's easy to find healthy foods to include on a weight loss diet. These are mainly whole foods like fish, lean meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds and legumes. Several processed foods, such as probiotic yogurt, extra virgin olive oil and oatmeal are also excellent choices. Along with moderation and regular exercise, eating these nutritious foods should pave your way to success and healthier life. Please post your comments in the comment section below. Did you find this useful? Then, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the Healthy Living channel. Thank you for watching.